Hello, let us make an adult version of this beanie in this video. So let us begin. So to begin with, I am going to use the Red Heart Super Saver yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Now this loop is our magic circle. I'm going to make 2 more chains, so it is 3 chains, which is considered as a double crochet. I am going to make 9 more double crochets, so altogether we have 10 double crochet in this round. We are going to make a slip stitch in here to close this round. Okay, now I am going to make chain 2, which is not considered as a stitch, so we are going to make 2 double crochet in each stitch. So 1 and 2. In the next stitch also 2 double crochets. So continue making 2 double crochet in each of the stitches. You will have 20 double crochet at the end of this row. This round of 20 double crochets are done. We are going to join to the top of the first double crochet right here. Now in the next round we are going to make chain 2, which is not considered as a stitch. Then we are going to make 1 double crochet in the same stitch, then 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 in the next one, 2 double crochet in the next one. So this pattern is 1, 2, 1 in the next one, 2 in the next stitch. So 1, then 2 in the next stitch. So go ahead and finish this round. You will have 30 double crochets in this round. Now we are on the 4th round. So chain 2, which is not a stitch, and make 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next one, and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So it is 1 and 1, then 2. Repeat this pattern, just 1, then the next one is also 1 double crochet, in the next one it is 2 double crochet. So at the end of this row we will have 40 double crochets. Now we are going to start the 5th row. So chain 2, make 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 and 2, then 1, 1 and 1. So 2 and 3 times 1, 2, 1, again 1, and again 1. Repeat this way and we will have 50 double crochets at the end of here. Get chain 2, then that is not considered as a stitch, then 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Then I'm going to make a chain 1, and around the post of this double crochet I'm going to make 3 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and 3 half double crochets. Now I'm going to skip the next stitch and making a double crochet in the next stitch, then chain 1 and making 3 half double crochets around the post of this one, 1, 2, 3. Then skip the next stitch, going to the next stitch here, making another double crochet, chain 1 and 3 half double crochets, second one and the third one. Now skip the next one, make another double crochet, chain 1, 3 half double crochets, continue this round and I will show you how to start the next round. Now I'm finishing that row and I'm going to this chain 1 space here to join with a slip stitch. Okay, now I'm going to switch to my 4.5 mm hook to do the remaining rows. I changed to dark green instead of this one, mainly because this color finished and I don't have extra here and I want to finish the beanie, and I used this one. And now we are going to do the edge or ribbing. So chain 1, make 1 half double crochet in the same stitch. The chain 1 is not considered as a stitch. Then chain 1, go to the next chain 1 space and make a half double crochet and chain 1. Continue the same way, like every chain 1 space of the previous round, make a half double crochet and chain 1. I switched to my 5mm crochet hook back again, and now I'm going to slip stitch to the chain 1 spaces and make half double crochets, 2 half double crochet in the same space, in the chain 1 space. So this round is all half double crochets in the chain 1 space. We will finish and join here. Now that round is finished, I'm going to make a front post half double crochet in the next one, in the first half double crochet, then a back post half double crochet in the second half double crochet, and continue this way, alternating front post and back post half double crochets. Now we joined that round and chain 1, then we just follow whatever we made the previous row. Like this is a front post, so we make a front post half double crochet. This is a back post, we make a back post half double crochet, and follow this pattern for 3-4 rows or whatever length you needed for the rib. Now the beanie is finished. I think this green and this bluish green are okay. It goes together, gives that a two-tone effect. So stay tuned for the scarf tutorial.